Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a huge JUDYDOLL PR unboxing. So without further ado, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below to be entered in my 100,000 subscriber giveaway. Let's get into today's video. I have this absolutely adorable PR package from JUDYDOLL. Let's get into it and see every single thing they sent me. Okay, we have these two little lip products. One of them is a little lip jelly and the other one is a water lip gloss. Cannot wait to try those out. Then we have a highlighter and contour duo stick. Oh, I'm curious to see the packaging on this. We have another JUDYDOLL Watery Lip Gloss. Just look at that. Ooh, I think that shade is going to be absolutely great. We have a JUDYDOLL Sharp Eyeliner. Ooh, I'm so excited to test this out. Viral JUDYDOLL Iron Mascara. I cannot wait to try this out. This is the one where it doesn't have any bristles. It's just flat. So, ooh, I'm excited but scared at the same time. Okay, next we have this blush and highlighting palette. This is gonna be so much fun. Oh my gosh. Full JUDYDOLL makeup look. Okay. A highlighting palette. Let's get into trying the products. First, I'm gonna start off with their lip jellies. Now, I'm going to try out each one of these, and I want you to comment down below which one is your favorite. Let's get into it. Oh my goodness. Look at this packaging. Stop. Oh, what colors are it? What in the world? The applicator is metal. OMG. Okay. It gives a nice cooling effect. I've never used a metal applicator before. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like on the bottom. I'm honestly loving this. In the shade 2 right up here. It's really a peachy shade. I really like it. This is what's on the bottom. I'm going to put a different lip on the top. The other watery lip gloss just to, you know, keep the same collection in here. This is in shade 06. Oh, right off. One of them has a little bronze at the end and it gradually goes. It's a cute little gradient. Up. Okay, we have a metal applicator. This one is darker. Ooh. Honestly, it was darker, by the way, guys. Okay. Why do they look so good mixed, first off? So I like this one better because I like more of a peachy tone, but I feel like this one would really be good for a good event, anything cutesy like that. I'm gonna wipe this off. We're gonna go in with the final lip product. This is their lip jelly. So the other two were water lip glosses, and this one's a lip jelly. Kind of excited to see what this is gonna be, guys. By the way, you can use this code to save 20% off on your order, and I'll have all these products linked down below. It's kind of a weird package, but I think it's gonna be actually very practical. Okay, the applicator's firm. It's not like a little jelly. It's like plastic. Okay. Oh, that color's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Summer color. Putting this on out on the sides right here. It all stays in the middle, and so that way I don't have a lot of excess product on the outside right here. It's actually quite nice. I like it. Oh. Okay, this is fancy. I like this, guys. I'm assuming this is the highlighter side. Okay. Gonna put 2 little dots right there. We're gonna blend this out. It's actually a really nice highlighter. It blended in so well. This one's more of a cool tone contour. I'm gonna blend this out real quick. I am a warm skin tone, so I don't really know how this is gonna work. I think it did good. This is the before and this is the after. I can definitely tell a difference. I recommend this one. I love it. It's just, I don't have anything to correct about it. I mean, they did a great job on the formula. It was nice. It did what it needed to do, and I only did 2 dots. Like, it's amazing. Okay. All right. Oh, she's fine.
Oh, she's fine.
Oh, she's fine. Oh my goodness. Surely looks like it's a part of my eye. Like, why was that so good? In the shade 01 Black. Heck yeah, baby. Oh, she ate. They're not twins, but I was just testing the product out. So, okay. Getting into the next thing, I am super excited about this one. Shade 01. So, I'm assuming it's black. Iron Mascara. Stop the packaging. OMG. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's see. I'm like shooketh. I'm in shock. Oh my gosh. It's so amazing. Okay. blush and highlighting palette. So now they sent me 3 highlighters, so I don't really know how I'm going to try all those out, but I'll do a few swatches on my hand because I really like the one that's on my cheeks right now. Look at that. It's like powder. I need a good swatch. Look at that. Final product, guys. We have the Judy Doll highlighting powder. So gorgeous. It's a donut. Oh. Homegirl shimmery. Oh. Little goes a long way, but I'm loving it. Like, that's all for today, guys. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and go check out Judy Doll in the description. Remember to use this code to get 20% off. I love y'all so much. Have a fantabulous day, guys. Mwah.